Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful e-commerce template in Angular 19, fully responsive and totally free. So guys, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So we see here is an e-commerce template in Angular 19. See guys, the e-commerce template home page. Just beautiful. The top section, beautiful search pop-up. See guys, carousel, just brilliant. Sorry. And see the categories of month section. See guys, feature products and see this will redirect to single page. Let me show you one. See guys, here was single page. See the single page as well and the footer. See guys, the beautiful footer as well. Now go to next page about page. See guys, here is our about us page. See about page, the top section, about description, our services, our brands. See guys, the footer. Now the shop page. See guys, here is shop page. See the beautiful shop page, the categories, and see guys, the shop page with specification. And also on clicked, you relate to single page. See guys, back to shop page. See the shop page and the contact us page. See guys, is map because of API key map is not showing, and here is the contact us form as well. So guys, see here are the pages, and let me show you its responsiveness. So guys, see the fully responsive template you will get, and 14 Pro. See, just brilliant. We'll check on other devices. See guys, iPad mini, iPad Pro, just brilliant. And see guys, will work for all the devices. And guys, like always, I will share the code snippet link inside this video description. And friends, if you will have any kind of query, session or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. And guys, also you can contact me via my blog. Here's my blog. The Here's contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID, my Skype ID, my WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And guys, also I'm full-time freelancer. If you will have any kind of work, then feel free to contact me anytime. Guys, also on my blog you will get multiple other free templates as well. See the multiple free e-commerce templates and also the free admin dashboards as well. See guys, and all are free of cost. So guys, here we go. The beautiful e-commerce template, fully working, professional, and in Angular. See guys, here's my Angular code. See, inside tab, the components like header and footer, the pages, about, contact, home, and shop. Shop single. See guys, here are the routing. See friends, the routing and the app component main. The pages. Yeah, let me show you one of them. See guys, the pages, and you can see the project structure. Inside source folder is a tab. I have made two components like components and pages. Inside pages, I have placed all the pages like routers, contact, home, shop, and shop single. And it's a component, the layout, header, and foot. Again, this is it. And friends. I must say few things. Please subscribe my channel and please support me. Guys, also after it, I will come with more free stuff. Friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.